Hello all, this is Nikumbh and welcome to NRL GET preparation strategy video. So in this video we will discuss each and everything regarding NRL. Okay, so how we can prepare for this exam in 20 days. Already they give us very well less time. I guess form was available in your July month, right? July, August and then September. So definitely less time, and I hope that you also guys did your preparation, but not that much. Okay, so how smartly we can deal with this exam and we can maximize our chances of selection. Okay, everything we will discuss. So syllabus pattern for all the branches, then motivation in the last, all the things we will discuss. So let's start the video. Okay, so your tentative exam date for now is your 21, 22 and 23rd of September. Okay, we will consider this as a final exam date. Definitely, if they what we can say postpone the exam, then definitely it is your luck, but consider it as a final only. Okay, now the next important thing is your exam pattern. So as already you know that there are total 4 sections. One section is of your technical questions, okay, and other 3 sections are of non-technical sections. Okay, information we don't have that much regarding the pattern of the exam. That is one important thing is there, that no negative marking is there. Okay, only this much information we have, and out of 100%, 80% weightage is given to technical questions and only 20% is for your general portion. Okay, this is very much important, and your whole CVT have 85%. Now definitely they didn't mention that whether there is a sectional cutoff or not, so definitely I don't think they will give sectional cutoff there. Okay, so simple rule that score maximum marks and get into the merit, right? This is a simple rule we need to follow for this recruitment. Okay, so from this pattern, if you observe carefully, then 80% weightage is very much higher, right, as compared to non-technical portion. So from now onwards, or I hope that you are doing also preparation, so devote maximum time for your technical, right? Maximum time for your technical, and if you are preparing seriously for NRL, then I will strictly recommend you to just skip this portion. Okay, now we have 2 types of student with us. One who already did preparation of non-technical portion, who are already giving lots of exam that I am posting on our channel. Okay, so you guys can do, there is no problem. But the one who are new, okay, NRL is your first form, who don't have any idea regarding your non-technical portion, I will strictly recommend you guys to skip this portion. Okay, definitely not completely. I will tell you that what are the important topics that you compulsory do for NRL, okay, before going to the exam, that I will tell you. But maximum portion we will skip because only 20% weightage is there, and definitely time is very less, right? Time only you got 2 months overall. So that's why it's better to just fully focus on technical, and we will try to fetch maximum 70 to 72 percentage out of this 80%. Okay, this will be our target. So now branch wise I will discuss the syllabus video and everything. So let's start with mechanical branch first. Okay, so what you guys have, first applied mechanics and design. Okay, under that we have engineering mechanics, then mechanics on material, then theory of machines, okay, vibrations, machine design. Then the second section is your fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. Under that we have fluid mechanics. Okay, and this topic you can read, I am just highlighting the majority of subject or chapters. So heat transfer, then thermodynamics and their applications you need to do. Okay, very much important. Then material manufacturing industrial section. So here we have engineering material, then casting, forming and joining process, machining and machine tool operation, and metrology inspection. Okay, with computer integrated manufacturing and production planning and control. So this is the total syllabus of mechanical. Okay, now if we consider for NRL, then these are the most important topics for you guys. Definitely you will do whole syllabus, okay, but this is most important, that thermodynamics application, power plant engineering, heat transfer, mechanics and material. So from these 5 chapters you can expect maximum of questions in NRL GET. Okay, this is very important thing. The next thing, that what you can refer. So see, for those 5 chapters or subjects, okay, also refer ESC previous year paper, because that are very much important, and then go to GATE previous year 1 mark question only. Okay, practice this much only, it is enough. And for other subjects of mechanical, you can refer only GATE questions. Okay, if you have time, then definitely you can prepare with EAC, means you can solve EAC also. But if you don't have time, then just do GATE previous year questions for other subjects. Okay, not that 5. So in summary, these 5 subjects which I already mentioned, okay, EAC plus GATE, and the rest of the subject only you will do with GATE syllabus. Okay, now in the last non-technical strategies there, you can refer that. Okay, the next branch is civil. Okay, so let's see what we have in GET civil syllabus. So first is your structural engineering. Under that you have engine mechanics, solid mechanics, then structure analysis, construction material management, concrete structure and steel structure. Okay, then geotechnical engineering. Under that you have soil mechanics, then foundation engineering. You can refer the subtopics. Okay, no need to worry about that. I am just highlighting the main chapters or subjects. Then environmental engineering. Under that what we have: water, waste resources treatment, sewage system design, quantity of domestic. Okay, then air pollution and municipal solid wastage. And then transportation engineering. So under transportation you can see this, and then geomatics engineering. Okay, so for NRL GET, the most important subjects you need to more focus on: flow of fluids, hydraulic machine, hydropower, then solid mechanics and environmental engineering. Okay, definitely you will do other subject also, but focus more on these subjects. Okay, so this is about your high weighted subjects for NRL. The next thing is what you should refer for practice. Definitely EAC previous year paper for those 3 subjects that I mentioned previously. Okay, so for these 3 you will solve EAC questions also last 20 years, and GATE also, means EAC plus GATE. And for the rest of the subject you can only solve GATE questions. That is enough. Okay, that will be enough for rest of the subject, only GATE. If you have time, if you already complete this whole syllabus, definitely go for this EAC also, no worry at all. Okay, you will your preparation will be very strong. So if you have time, then this is optional for you. Okay, if you don't have time, because I am giving strategy for new students also, those who prepared or who are preparing in this 2 months only. Okay, so for them this is compulsory, and this is your optional for civil branch, right? Non-technical strategy you can see in the last. The next branch is instrumentation. Okay, so for instrumentation what we have: electricity and magnetism. Okay, very important. Electric circuit and machines, then signal system, control systems, analog electronics. Inside subtopics you can refer by yourself. Okay, then data electronics, measurement. In data electronics they give me microprocessor and controller. Okay, so just note this point: measurement, sensor and industrial instrumentation, communication and optical instrumentation. Okay, now if we consider for NRL, then these are the most important subjects, okay, which you need to focus more on. That is your measurement, sensor and industrial instrumentation, then data electronics, analog electronics and electric circuits, right? So these are the very much important subjects, top 5 subjects from which you can expect maximum questions in NRL exam. Okay, others definitely you need to do, but these are the heavy topics, I can say, or heavy question subjects. Okay, for practice, just you can use GATE previous year paper for all. There is no need to worry at all. Okay, if you want to do some extra, then what you can do, you can practice electrical and EC GATE previous year questions for what I have told you in the top 5 subjects. That common subjects is data electronics, your analog electronics, okay, and the one is your control system also you can refer, signals also you can refer this. Okay, then communication is also refer, basic question you can refer from EC, like that. So you can do from measurement also, you can practice from electrical questions, measurement you can practice, right? If you want some extra, but if your syllabus is not completed or you are in syllabus preparation stage, then definitely only practice GATE previous year paper, it will be enough. Okay, but practice properly, and this is for your extra if you want to score, means if you want to make your preparation more strong. Non-technical strategy you can see in the last of this video. The next branch is electrical. Yeah, so for electrical what we have: electric circuits we have, then EMT we have, signals and system, electric machines, power system, control system, electric electronics measurement, and analog and electronics with power electronics. Okay, so these are the important topics we have. Now for NRL, okay, you should focus more on power system first, second power electronics, then data electronics, measurement and electric circuits. Okay, so these are the high weighted subjects you can consider for your NRL exam. definitely rest of the subject you will also do, but focus more on these 5, right? And for practice and study, what you can refer, so GATE previous year 1 mark question you can refer for all the subjects, okay? And for those 5 that I mentioned in the previous screen, okay, for that you can practice from EAC paper also. I will recommend you strictly to practice EAC previous year questions of the last 5 subjects that I mentioned, because that are very much important for your NRL exam, right? And for rest of the subject, GATE plus EAC, okay, definitely. If you want, then for rest of the subject you can practice EAC also if your syllabus is completed, but if your syllabus is not completed, then leave this, okay? Just solve GATE paper, that is enough for rest of the subject. Okay, non-technical strategy you can see in the last. The next branch is chemical. Okay, so for chemical, what we have: process calculation and thermodynamics, then fluid mechanics and mechanical operations, heat transfer, mass transfer, chemical reaction engineering. Okay, this is a very much important chapter for your NRL exam. So just highlight this. I guess I forget to mention this: chemical reaction engineering, and then instrumentation, process control, plant design economics, and chemical technology. Okay, so this is the full syllabus you have. Now let's come back to our main video. So from these 5 subjects you can expect maximum question, and the 6 that is your chemical that I told you, okay, process. So fluid mechanics, mechanical operation, heat transfer, mass transfer, instrumentation and process control, plant design economics, and chemical operations. So these are the very much important subjects for you, and definitely just solve GATE previous year questions of 1 mark only, okay? No need to touch 2 mark question, just solve 1 mark, that will be enough for you, right? So now we will discuss about non-technical strategy video for all the branches in the last, okay? The next branch is computer science. Okay, so what is new here? What that we can see, the new age technologies, that is artificial intelligence, okay? Then machine learning, data science, video analytics, blockchain, very much important, and RPA. So basic 1 question you can expect from all this, okay? Just theoretical questions, no need to do big questions or practical question. Only theoretical question they will check. If they mention, then definitely they will check, okay? Because this is new technology, so at least you should have basic knowledge of that, right? Because we are in day-to-day life, we are now applying those things, that's why. Then the other subject, you know, digital logics, computer, CO is there, programming data structure, in programming only, programming is C, algorithms, TOC, compiler design, operating system, database, and computer networks. Okay, this is the total syllabus for your NRL. Okay, now if we consider for NRL, so these are the most important topics or subjects for you, that is computer network, digital logics, computer organization and architecture, operating system, database, and new technology that I told you, artificial intelligence, ML, blockchain. So from that you can expect questions, and most of the questions, maximum questions you can expect from these 5. Okay, so this 5 is very much important, and then this 6 one. Definitely other subject also you need to do, but that having less weightage or less question they may ask you from that. Okay, now what you can refer for practice, basically definitely GATE previous year questions for all. Okay, and if you want to do your preparation very good, then for the 5 subjects that I mentioned earlier, you can solve previous year UGC net questions also if you want. Okay, and I guess in new technology also few topics you will get in this UGC net previous year paper. So from that you can refer, and the blockchain technology, then your artificial intelligence, ML. For that, whatever information you will get from Google, just Google it. Okay, read some articles, just note it down, make your notes, and that will be enough. Okay, only basic information, just remember this basic information, that what are the technology, what are things are there in technology, how it is implemented practically. Okay, what are the applications of that technology, like that only basic information. So just make notes of this, and that's it. Okay, no need to do PhD in that. And the rest of the 5 subjects, get previous year paper plus UGC net if you can, and for other subject definitely get previous year paper compulsory. Okay, so in summary, what is the summary? That for this high weightage subjects, 5 subject, UGC net plus GATE, and for other subject only GATE previous year paper, that is also 1 mark only. Okay, no 2 marks. Now you can refer your non-technical strategy in the last. Okay, now very important section, that is your non-technical section, which is common for all the branches. Okay, so what we have in this section, basically 3 sections are there: sections B, section C, and section D. Okay, only 20% total weightage is there. Means if suppose your paper is of 100 marks, then 20 marks will be comprises of all the 3 sections. Okay, in section B you have general awareness, plus obviously current affairs. In section C you have English, and in section D you have reasoning plus quant, right? Now as you already know, we have very less days, okay, and less weightage for non-technical. So accordingly I will suggest you that what you should do and what you should not. First thing, that if you are from that category who already completed all the things for different exams earlier, then definitely you can revise the things, okay. Current affair, you just this thing current affair you will add, otherwise general awareness, English, reasoning and quant already completed, right? But those who are new, those who are those who want to complete their technical very perfectly, okay, and don't have time to complete non-technical section, yes, you can skip that, but we don't need to completely skip these sections, okay. So what is compulsory you need to do, I will tell you right now. So let's start with our section D, okay, in quant. So in quant, at least do percentage, okay, then the ratio, time work, time discount, time distance and speed, then your profit loss discount, and the last, that is your simple interest and compound interest. That's it, okay. Only 1 2 3 4 5 6 chapters you will do out of, I guess, 20 to 25 chapters. That's it, okay, because we have less time, definitely. In reasoning, blood relation, okay, coding, decoding, then your sitting arrangement. If you want, you can do puzzle. I will not suggest to do puzzle basically, okay. So and DI, very important, data interpretation. So DI is also very much important. And the non-verbal listening, like your figure counting, okay, paper folding, paper cutting, that you can do, means obviously common sense things are there, there is no much need to do and that, okay. So blood relation, and one more chapter, that is your direction test, okay, in south, west, like that. So in reasoning you will do only these things, that's it, okay, in this 20 days. Then in English, if you have any good source which having all the grammar rules, only you will refer grammar rules in English, okay, only you will refer grammar rules in English. I hope that all the things, all the point you are noting down in your notes, which are very important. So if you have, then you can go and you can read all the rules, otherwise you can skip English completely, right? In general awareness, current affair, general awareness means your history, geography, economics, polity, and your science, okay. Completely skip this, no need to do, definitely you don't have time, that's why, okay. In current affair, you will do June month completely, July month, August, and definitely September, because your exam is on 21st na. So till 15th of September you will read current affairs. Now from where you can read, right? This is the big question. So here comes, okay. So this is our website, okay. When you will click on our website, the link is in the description. Just go to current affairs section and click here. Okay, so here you can see that daily current affairs are being uploaded. You will get the information on in our Telegram group also. So compulsory join Telegram group, okay. That link is also in description. So just go here, select date, click on 2021, okay, and then June. So you can see here day wise current affairs are there, 30th June, 29, 28. Similarly for July, August and September will be like this, okay. So suppose I click on 19th of June, then in detail you can read this current affair quickly. See, it's very easy to read. So all the things are divided category wise, okay. International current affairs, then your national current affairs, then obituary, then appointments, resignation, what are the important dates. One question will be fixed from this, important dates, okay. So read all the important dates and make your notes, that's it. Then your summits, and then banking and economy, right? So like this each day you will read, okay, daily, and till 15th of September, just remember this and write this, 15th of September you need to read all the current affairs, right? If exam date get extended, definitely I will make the video and I will tell you, but till then, till your exam is on will be on 21st, 22nd, you will read current affairs till 15th of September, okay. This is our current plan, okay. So I hope that all the things you noted down properly. Now for those who already completed syllabus, for daily practice of non-technical section, no need to refer anything, just our Telegram PDF, that's it, okay. Telegram PDF, and in that also whatever chapters I mentioned for quant reasoning, okay, just solve that questions if you want. If you want to do all, then definitely you can do daily 10 questions of reasoning, 10 questions of quant you are getting there, okay. Also from English for all candidate, okay, for those also who are completing and for those who completed, for all candidate, daily read synonym and antonyms, daily compulsory, at least vocab you should perfectly do, okay. And whatever grammar rules are you reading, grammar questions will be also in the English PDF, then definitely you can solve that, okay. Current affair PDF is also there, daily 10 questions compulsory you will refer. And those who will join now, okay, just go to the file section, there you will get all the PDFs. Just go to June month and read all the PDFs, June, July and August, okay. All the things you will get in the file section. We started this Telegram PDF initiative in April month, so from April you will get the things. If you want to read from April, then you can read, okay. And general awareness or general studies is there, which having your history, geography. Now already I told you to skip that part, but those who already read Lucent book completely, okay, just compulsory practice these things daily. That's it. This will be your strategy for non-technical section, okay. This will be very much enough for you in the required dates, that is your 20 days, hardly we have 20 days, okay. So in this you will do this. At least if you from this 20%, at least you secure 10%, then definitely our job is done, okay. This is the thing. But your technical should be very much strong, because okay, in interview also they will ask you technical questions, so for that your technical should be very much strong, and that's why I'm telling you to focus more on technical section, okay. So I hope now that all things are clear, what to do, how to do. The final motivation will be definitely less competition. As you already know, your exam centers are in Assam only, okay. So I don't think many candidate will travel that much distance from your south, then your middle, okay. So I don't think many candidate will travel, so only competition will be between north and southeast candidate, right. Then second, this is Mini Ratna, which is very good opportunity for you, okay. That Mini Ratna is doing recruitment on their own without gate score, no gate score required, also no negative marking, okay. So this is the best opportunity you can make. And those who are from basically southeast and your northeast, okay, and north, so I guess you will definitely you have to put more efforts to secure the seat, okay. And your chances are high in this recruitment, so just make proper use of it. If anything you have, just comment down below, definitely I will address, okay. If you want to ask me anything personally, then definitely you can contact me on Instagram. All the links are in the description, so just go through the description. And definitely this is not WhatsApp, but this is your Telegram, so all the things are in description. Just go there and join our platform, and if you feel anything, definitely you can contact me anytime, okay. All the best everyone for your exam. Now this is the final video for NRL, and I hope that all the things you will follow as it is, okay. At least you should try and do your best. Yes, all the best.